guys, welcome to YouTube channel. Yeah, shout out to you guys that have been commenting on my video. I won't let you guys rest right now. Yeah, I'm going to be giving you guys a shout out. So don't you think I'm not be writing you guys now? I'll be writing. I have one long pen and pen, so and paper and just write your name. I'll be writing your names down. So shout out to you guys on all my video. Like I'll literally be reading the name. Shout out to Jocelyn, shout out to you that is commenting. I'll literally be shouting. So make sure your name is pronounceable like this. Not like those people that are using just consonant to write their name. I say consonant to write their name like JKLVZ. How would I pronounce that kind of name? That kind of name, JKLVZ. That's not my pronunciation. So let's just say how it goes, guys. So today we're doing a song by Ariana Grande. Thank you. In case you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe down below, like this video and share to your friends. Yeah, I think this will be very easy. Yeah, and to be short, not those long ones I'm doing, not those intense one. Not short and very easy because Ariana Grande, you know, guys, it's our cutie catty. So let's go. Now, the first step in this video is mirrored, by the way. So the first, your right and the left hand. So first step on this video is this song is thankiness and it means a careful 1, 2, 3 swipe. I guess in first is you are doing your hips. Your hips has to be, you get the vibes. It has to be moving like this, moving like this, moving like this. So something like 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1. I guess so it's 1, 2. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2. Follow me, guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2. I guess it's 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2. You guys have to be really truly getting this dance. One is very easy. Let's go. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Shoot. Look at me, guys. Very easy. I'm making the sound very easy for you guys to follow. It's first. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Shoot. Very simple. 5, 6, 7. Shoot. 1, 2, 3. Shoot. Now, if in case I'm not getting the sound movement, you just have to follow me, guys. You just follow me. Let's take it very slow for you guys to get. For this dance, I'm repeating this style twice. So you have to understand this. So it's thankiness. I'm so grateful for all night. Thankiness. Thankiness. I get it. So it's 1, 2, 3, shoot. 1, 2, 3, shoot. All your hips are doing just side. So you get that was easy for you. Then your hand just doing 1, 2, 3, shoot. 1, 2, 3, shoot. 1, 2, 3, shoot. 1, 2, 3, shoot. That's easy for you guys. Like you literally tell me you get any dance, guys. You have to be telling me you're getting it. So in case you don't subscribe to the channel, kindly subscribe down below. Yeah, subscribe down below, like this video. Yeah, comment in the comment also so you can get your shout out, guys. So let's go. From the start. So we're doing this one 4 times. That's like dancing. So it's 5, 6. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm so freaking tired now. Thankiness. Thankiness. So when I've done that, this will do you hit to the front, you clap, then you hit to the other side, you clap. Let me just make sure I can get the concept. 5, 6, 7, let's go. So, shoot. 1, 2, 3, shoot. Flip, shoot. Flip, shoot. That's basically the younger. So this part one, like this, you clap. Basically just you turning sideways. Yeah, I'm turning sideways on that dance basically. So it's just 1 and 2. Yeah, I don't know if you guys have taught this as my particular video, one of my videos. Yes, I think I've taught this one of my videos. You are turning side, just 1, 2, simple. 1, 2. So fucking grateful all night, thankness. It's like 1, 2, 3. It's like 4, 1, 2. So I'll see you guys how to do this one. So basically, you want to take front, you're taking another one back, so it's something like this. Listen. Nice. Let's go from the start. 5, 6, 7, let's go. Thankiness. 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 So, thank you. Grateful all night. So if you like kind of content, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and subscribe, guys. Here, subscribe. Comment in the comment section. I told you guys I'll give you guys a shout out for those of you that are commenting. I ain't forgetting that, remember guys, I ain't forgetting that. So comment in the comment section. And I'm going to watch 2 videos over here. This is a short tutorial. I hope you get it. Hope you watch 2 videos over here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.